Hello everyone, Rebecca here. My friend Murphy and I love making things. Do you? You know what? You can reuse so many leftover things to make something great. Boxes, paper cups, old lids, tubs, pots, cardboard, buttons, bottles. There are so many great ideas that you can make. Murphy's always full of monsterific ideas, you know.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a bottle whale. As well as this clean, empty bottle, we'll need coloured paper and card, some leftover sweet wrappers, and stickers. Start with a piece of coloured card. Place the bottle on top and draw a big oval around it like this. On a piece of coloured paper, place the bottle on top again and draw a bigger, wobbly oval around it like this.
Drawy, drawy, monster drawy. Hey, 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 hey!
Now let's draw two shapes. These will be the whale's fins. And we also need a whale's tail. Do you mind using your monster magic for some monster cutting, Murphy?
Monster magic coming up.
Make sure you ask a grown-up to help you when using scissors. Murphy's also cut the sweet wrappers into circles too. We can use those for decoration later. Now it's bottle time. Use sticky tape to attach it to the middle of the belly.
Sticky, sticky, sticky belly.
Add a blob of glue to either side of the oval and lay the whale's body over the top of the bottle like this. Glue the whale's tail on one end and stick the teardrop shapes to either side for the whale's fins. We can also decorate the whale by gluing on the sweet wrapper circles.
Now we just need some sticker eyes.
There we have it. One bottle whale, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time. Hi there, it's me, Rebecca. As always, me and my monster mate Murphy have got some amazing new arty ideas to share with you. And all you'll need to do is raid the recycling to find the best boxes, tubes and bottles to reuse. Now, has anyone seen a big, hairy, multicoloured monster around here?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might. It's a shoebox bunny.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
For this monster make, we'll need a shoebox, coloured card, 2 cheese boxes, paint and stickers. Start by painting the shoebox and cheese boxes. Our bunny will be pink, but yours can be any colour you like.
I was hoping you'd say that. Painty, painty, monster painty.
Leave those to one side to dry. Next, we need some pink paper. Let's draw long bunny ears.
Drawy, drawy, monster draw.
Arms. Circles for cheeks. And a nose. On white paper, draw 2 more long bunny ears, slightly thinner than the pink ones. These will be the insides of the ears. Now we need to carefully cut everything out.
This calls for some monster cutting.
Thanks, Murphy. Let's stick everything together.
Bum, 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 bum.
These cheese boxes will be the feet.
I love sticking.
The arms can go on either side of the box like this. Give them a curl so they bend in front of the body. And we can stick the white ears on top of the pink ones. And stick them to the box. Let's stick the cheeks to either side. And the nose here. What else does our bunny's face need?
Let's do the eyes.
Brilliant! For those we can use
Stickers.
exactly! And some stickers to the feet too. We can also draw a mouth shape like this. This bunny looks brilliant. All it needs now is a tasty carrot.
Here you are, Rebecca.
Thanks, Murphy. This one is brilliant and is made from a triangle of orange paper with a torn scrap of green paper for leaves. There we have it. One brilliant shoebox bunny, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time. Hello everyone, Rebecca here with another monstery arty idea for you. And as always, it's going to be made by recycling and reusing some old bits and pieces that you'll have lying around at home. There's one other thing we'll need. Our good friend Murphy.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a tall dog. As well as this long box, we'll need another box, stickers, colourful card, and paint. Let's make the dog's body first.
That's a great place to start.
Take the long box and stick the smaller box to the top of it. Now we can start painting the boxes. You can paint yours any colour you like.
I love, love, love painting. Painty, painty, monster painty.
Nice painting, Murphy.
Hey, 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 hey! Thanks. Now we can leave it to dry.
In the meantime, on a sheet of blue card, draw 2 ear shapes. A tail, an oval for a tummy, a nose, and some spots. On a piece of pink card, draw a tongue like this. Murphy, can we have some monster magic, please?
You know it!
Amazing! But remember, be careful with scissors and ask a grown-up if you need help.
Is it sticky, sticky glue time?
It sure is. Stick the ears to the back of the head.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky!
Add the nose shape. The tongue. The belly. Tail. Add stickers for eyes. And a little pink nose. And finally, draw on some details. There we have it, a tall dog, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!